Here's how to shoot two models with two different garments in a single image on Caimera. Start by selecting a multi-model template, uploading a reference image with two models, or choosing from campaign ideas. For this demo, we'll go with a template. Next, select one of the two garments you want to apply, and click Shoot to generate your base image. Once your image is generated, you can refine it, adjust the pose, tweak the framing, or enhance the overall look. When you're happy with the base image, it's time to apply the garments. Start with the product you've already selected. Your selected product appears in the product card at the bottom. Apply it to the model you want by manually drawing a mask over the garment area, then click Apply. Now let's add the second garment. Choose the second product. It will appear in the product card at the bottom. You can either upload a new product or select one from the drop-down list of previously uploaded products. Click Apply Product to bring in the input images, then mask and apply it to the other model. Make sure you're working on the correct layer where the first product was applied. And just like that, both garments are applied to two different models in one image. Finally, upscale the image for the best possible quality. Seamless styling, multi-model flexibility. Only with Caimera.